I'm ignited by people.
I'm ignited when people leave the shop with a smile.
I strongly believe in that a day without a smile is a day not lived.
I'm really ignited by concepts, and I can use that to see our overall strategy and objectives.
I'm ignited about the moment of accomplishment.
I'm ignited when I can make a difference.
I'm very much ignited by creating something new.
I probably wouldn't have been here as long had I not been inspired and ignited about what this company represents, and it's something I feel very passionately about.